how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Pianosaurus from Poppy Playtime 4. So let's do it. It's going to be super simple and easy, so let's follow along, all right? Follow along with me. I'm going to draw a line over here across the face. It's going to be the teeth, the top of the teeth. Down right here, up like a V shape. And we're going to continue that line from the other side right there. All right, a little bit longer. We're going to go right here and make a U shape around this way. So we're going to curve underneath. Continue to go up right there. Pull along the edge. Over here, we're going to draw a curve for the side of the cheek here. And a curve over here for the side of the other cheek. And now we're going to draw a line underneath that. Like so. Be careful with it too. These curves are kind of like dangerous. In the center right here, we're going to draw a spike and then a curve underneath where it inserts into the face. Go just a little bit higher up over here. We draw another, almost the same thing, but a little bit bigger of a spike up over here, down. And we're going to go up over here, curve. Out over here, down. Up over here, down over here for the spike. So it's another one of those spikes. By the way, if I'm going too fast, let me know. All this stuff is, again, just for fun, just for follow along. Over here, another spike on the other side. The eyeball is very easy. It's a circle. We can just kind of, maybe leave a little bit of a highlight in there. And then an eye over here is another circle. Maybe another little highlight right there. You can draw two dots right here on for the nostrils, but sometimes I don't need to do that. You don't need to do that sometimes. Let's go over here to the back of the neck. We're going to finish off with the teeth, by the way, which are the best part, right? So stick around for that. Curve over here for the long neck. Curve over here for the long neck. His body is a little bit of a kind of a circle, so we're going to curve down this side. Curve back right here. Okay. But we're not going to draw this complete circle yet. You know why? Because we're going to draw the arms. Okay. We're going to start with the front kind of talons that he has. So it's going to be over here. Just anywhere over here. Just draw a curve like that. With a big nail coming out. Down like there. Over here on this side. Down right here. So he's got two giant talons or whatever, spikes sticking out the front. Down over here, and then we got his mitt right there, his hand, his front hand. A little bit of a curve right there because there's a little bit of a change in space. Don't forget, hit the like, by the way, if you like this sort of stuff. It lets me know what's going on in your guys' head, and I can add more of it. I really, if you can, do me a huge favor. Let me know what are the characters you want to see. Do you want to see more Poppy Playtime characters? I can absolutely do that. Just let me know. Gonna go over here. Curve for the next link of his arm right there. Little ball. And the final link of his arm right there on that side. Cool, cool, cool. Down. Down over here at the far end. Out over here. Downward. Out. Same thing. So giant nail on that side. And then we have another giant nail on the back right there. We're just... It's the back part, right? Very simple, very chill, very mellow. Like I said, you can always slow down the video if you have any issues with this. Not a huge deal. Gonna go over here now for the leg. Down right there. Back. Curve. Right here along this area. Back over here. Down. Down. Out over here. Down over here. Okay, for the foot. Same thing, kind of like nails like that, but there's three of them this time. So downward. One big nail. One big nail. One big nail. And then see, remember this part right here? Don't forget it, the body. We're going to go over here. We're going to continue that. It's called drawing through the form, right? We're thinking about like how it's going to make its way through. Curve over here, and honestly the tail's going to go off the page. We're just going to make it go right off. It's too long. That thing is way too long. Okay. We can put the back foot over here so it makes sense. So you're going to see a little sliver of the back foot over here. So out over here, down, out over here. And you're going to see like one giant nail on that side. And I guess you maybe see a little one over here on the other end. Like I said, if any of this doesn't make sense, let me know. Talk to me. I'm here. I'm very much available. I'm going live almost every day, by the way. Check that out. Going live is incredibly fun to do. Curve over here. Down right there on this side. Down over here. A line right there. Now we're going to go along the stomach. Now this is the finale, right? Ish, kind of. We're going to actually put in, well, I'm sorry, not yet. So we're going to do the spikes. Triangle right there. Another one. Keep it going. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going right here. Just down along the ways over here. Alrighty. And we're going to draw the pianos in, okay? So line down, line down, line down. Just they don't have to be any particular space. Just something like that. Make them look like teeth. Curve over here, wrap it around the body. All right, we're wrapping this around the body right here. Let's see, that one needs to be a little bit more. Oh, Pianosaurus. Curve over here. Continue to curve. Line over here. And now we're going to go over here and draw the big piano keys, the dark ones. So we're just going to like place them. So that's one right there. Put maybe another one over here. This one over here. Another one over here on this side. Just kind of haphazardly, just make sure there's some space between them and fill them in, okay? Same thing across the belly right here, curve right here. Along this area, same thing. Line over here in this area. Curve line underneath. And line underneath there. We're going to do it all the way down right there. Just kind of, again, like maybe every 3 rows, you know, every 3 or 4 rows, you put in another little like strong piano piece. And that is it, by the way. I think that went very well. Let me know what you think. I want to hear your thoughts. Let's talk. Like, let me know your thoughts. If you really want, you can also throw maybe a little line right there on that cheek. You can throw a little line right there. But otherwise, stick around. Let's go through the next drawing lesson, okay? Let's go through the next one. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.